This video is a guide to appetites, and we will start with a good appetite. First, go and take out both the water bowl and the food bowl out of the kennel. Remember to pour out the water into the drain, and make sure to remember which dog you're getting the bowls from. Put the empty water bowl into the sink to be washed, and do not ever place any food into the sink. This can cause the drain to clog. This is what a good appetite will look like at first glance. Look at the whiteboard in the food prep area to check the amount of food that dog was fed. Next, pour any remaining food into a measuring cup and determine how much there is left. If the animal has eaten all or nearly all of the food, it is a good appetite. Throw away the remaining food. Next, find the dog's name on the kennel card posted in dog ward and circle G for good and initial. Put the food bowl into the sink to be washed and continue to grab the next bowls. Next, we will cover fair appetites. Again, grab the bowls, pour the water out, and take the empty water bowl to the sink. Many people carry a notepad with them to help keep track of which kennels they are taking the bowls out of. Ensuring appetites are recorded correctly by writing down the dog's name and number as you go and pull each bowl. This is a fair appetite. You can always look at the food card to double check what they were fed to determine the appetite, but it will always be written on the whiteboard in food prep. Make sure to get out all of the food into the measuring cup, either pouring it in or scooping it up, whatever works for you. A fair appetite is if the animal has eaten more than half of the food. Here the dog was fed 2 cups and there is less than a cup left. Then, find the dog on the kennel card, circle F for fair and initial. Put the empty bowl into the sink. Next, we will go over poor appetites. Go to the kennel, grab the bowls, pour out any water, and take the water bowl to the sink. Remember, always hustle and move with purpose during husbandry. Even during this step, everyone must work quickly and efficiently to get everything done. This is what a poor appetite looks like at first glance. A poor appetite is when an animal has eaten less than half of its food. Go over to the food prep area and scoop out or pour the food into the cups, using as many cups as you need to accurately measure the amount of food left in the bowl. A cup of food is when the food is all the way to the top of the cup, not just the top line. Here, the dog was fed 2 cups and there was more than a cup left, therefore the appetite is poor. Find the animal on the kennel card, circle P for poor and initial, then put the empty bowl into the sink. Lastly, we will cover no appetite, or marking an appetite as none. Go into the kennel, take out the bowls, pour out the water into the drain, and take the empty water bowl to the sink. This is what no appetite would look like at first glance. Marking an appetite as none means that they have not eaten any of their food. Go to food prep, measure the amount of food in the bowl, and check the whiteboard. This dog was fed 3/4 of a cup and has not eaten any of the food. Throw away the food and circle in for none, an initial next to the correct name and number of the dog. Then, put the empty bowl into the sink. Thank you for watching. Now you're an expert at taking and recording appetites.